วัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to my channel. This video I gonna tell you guys what we went after we went to Hooker Falls. So we went to Tripple Falls. It's a lot bigger than Hooker Falls because it's 120 feet tall and it's just half a mile walk from Hooker Falls to Tripple Falls. And another one, we went to High Falls. It's a little bit bigger than Tripple Falls because it's 150 feet tall and it's just half a mile walk from Tripple Falls to High Falls. Yeah, if you guys ready, let's go check it out. So this is the way that we walked from Hooker Falls to Tripple Falls. As you guys can see, yeah, we went over there during winter time. It still have some snow that cover the ground. It was slippery. You guys better be careful. Here's our little guys. He loves swimming so much. I don't think he knows that it's cold or not. I don't think he thinks it's cold. Yep, that's lucky. Finally, we finished our half-mile walk. And this is a view that I got from you guys. It's very beautiful. And this is a triple falls. That means triple layers. Yep. I got a chance taking video with my husband with the beautiful views. Yay! Here is some video that I took when we walked closer to waterfalls.
Tripple Falls.
Triple just means 3. That's the first and second floor, and that's the third one.
It looks a lot bigger in real life.
Yeah, it's pretty big. I'm trying to show you guys a view, but Lucky he's really want to swim. Lucky. He kept crying. Lucky. Stunning. สวยตายไปเลยจ้า Hey boy. Why? As you guys can see, my husband tried to mess around with me with his drone. Here's some drone footage at Tripple Falls. Yep, that's us. I try to film the video while he find his drone. Yep. As you guys can see, this when he tried to mess around with me, he almost hit the pole. Look at that. Lucky wants to play with Daddy Drone. My husband, he decided to explore walk up there. He flying his drone up to the highest floor. is what's up there. It's like a river and a giant forest. Another half mile through, we finally at High Falls. As you guys can see, it has some fishermen try to catch a fish. And that's me again, try to show the High Fall wheels.
You cold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Water.
This is cool.
Let's go closer.
Wow. On the mist. This is so cold. Oh wow.
My husband, he tried to call Lucky, but Lucky was so scared of the water. The ground covered by ice. Super slippery.
Time to be ice.
Here, this is the drone footage. Enjoy! over there is a spot that you can see the waterfall from the high point. And we randomly filmed some couple and they saw our drone. She waved to us. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. See you next video.